Hello YouTube, this is Henbasket, and welcome to Fire Alarm Friday. As you can see here, I have my GX90, my MDL, and 270. And here I have my new phone, which has iOS 14 on it. And I'm going to do a test of the sound recognition. Hey Siri, turn on sound recognition.
It's already unmuted, but there's nothing playing.
I'm gonna have to do this myself apparently. And yet, turn on sound recognition, lock it, and turn this on. As you can see here, it says a sound has been recognized that may be a smoke alarm. Pretty cool, huh? And that's it. That's my quick video. Henbasket signing off.